Now with Alyssa Donovan, and that fog really has been a problem, even for drivers.
Yeah, you know what? Dense fog still blanketing the Chicagoland area right now. We're really going to hang on to this throughout most of the day today. Additional fog moves in back tonight and into early Friday. And what's happening is we have these rounds of warm fronts that are pushing through to the north. That's pushing in that warm and moist air, and then that's interacting with that cold lake air with that northerly breeze in place. And that's when you do get that sort of advection fog that we're seeing across the area right now, really trapped close to the surface because of all our cloud coverage. Cloudy skies along with that fog right now at our Field Museum. We are seeing visibility down to less than a mile in a few locations, including up near Waukegan and Kenosha, about a mile and a half at O'Hare and Midway right now, less than a mile right around Aurora. Expecting to hang on to that fog for most of the afternoon. A dense fog advisory is in effect right now. That lasts until 3 p.m. for Lake County, Cook County, Lake County, Northwest Indiana, and into Porter County. For our western suburbs, that lasts until noon today. Expecting that to burn off a little bit in the next hour or so here. Temperatures right now into the low 40s. It's 43 at O'Hare and Midway, 45 down in Frankfort, 48 in Kankakee. You can see where that warm air is starting to track in to our southern counties. Winds have been fairly variable for the past few hours here, but we're starting to see a stronger shift, that northerly flow helping push in that cooler and drier air from the lake. Wind's going to stay fairly light throughout the day today. Did pick up a little bit of rainfall early this morning, up to just under a quarter inch for a few locations, mainly across northwest Indiana. At this hour, we're still hanging on to some patchy drizzle and overall just some mist when you walk outside. As we head through the afternoon, potential of seeing some misty to light drizzle conditions for the next several hours here. And then overnight tonight, we're looking at cloudy conditions ahead of our next system that's going to move in tomorrow. For Friday, potential for severe weather in the forecast. We're under that level 2 out of 5 across northern Illinois and that level 1 out of 5 across northwest Indiana. Timing of that's really going to track in probably by the morning hours tomorrow, that first round, with several rounds following, one by the afternoon and another as we head into the overnight hours Friday into Saturday. Potential for some strong wind gusts and possibly some hail with that system, something we're continuing to monitor. Temperatures today upper 40s with some fog and also some light drizzle. Fog on Friday as well with that severe storm risk. Back to you guys.